opposite words in English. Big, small, hot, cold, fast, slow, happy, sad, early, late, up, down, open, closed, old, young, long, short, heavy, light, full, empty, good, bad, high, low, near, far, clean, dirty, strong, weak, rich, poor, easy, difficult, bright, dark, tall, short, new, old, thick, thin, loud, quiet, wet, dry, push, pull, buy, sell, win, lose, begin, end, true, false, inside, outside, love, hate, laugh, cry, give, take, arrive, leave, safe, dangerous, sharp, dull, beautiful, ugly, round, square, curly, straight,